Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to delete a group on WhatsApp permanently. If you've created a group that has served its purpose, or you simply no longer need it, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the group chat you want to delete. You'll need to access it directly from your chat list so you're working inside that specific group. Once inside, tap the group's name at the very top of the screen. This will open the group info page, which contains all the details and settings for that group. Now, before you can delete the group completely, you'll need to remove everyone from it. Scroll down through the list of participants. Tap each person's name individually, then select the option to remove them. Continue this until you are the only member left in the group. This step is required because WhatsApp won't allow you to delete a group that still has active participants. Once all members have been removed, scroll down toward the bottom of the group info page. Here, you'll see the option to exit group. Go ahead and tap that. When you exit, you'll no longer be a participant yourself, but since you were the one who created the group or managed it last, you'll still have the option to delete it afterward. Finally, you'll notice a new option appear right in the same spot. Delete group. Tap on it and confirm your choice. At this point, the group will be permanently deleted from your WhatsApp, and it will no longer exist for anyone else. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. Remember, once a group is deleted, there's no way to bring it back. So, make sure you really want to remove it before taking this final step. If this guide helped you, be sure to keep these updated steps in mind anytime you need to clean up your chat list. Deleting old or inactive groups is a great way to stay organized and keep your WhatsApp focused only on active conversations.